Imagine taking more than 65-year-old tourist home and transforming it into a modern masterpiece. Our team, EDSS, specializes in engineering metamorphosis, restructuring, and reinforcement. In this project, a 4-storied tourist home was decided to have a contemporary facelift along with modern amenities and enhancement of existing car parking. In order to facilitate this, the load-bearing walls of the ground floor rooms were demolished to accommodate a conference hall on one side of the ground floor and a restaurant on the other side. Portal frames were cast in situ to accommodate this major change. In order to bear the compression, tension, shear, and torsion forces, the building had been reinforced as per the required IS specifications. Further, the building was facelifted to meet contemporary style and accommodate modern facilities, along with enhanced car parking. EDSS, turning dreams into reality.